Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for a Anfield Roads expansion update, and what I'm going to focus on first is what people corrected me on. I called these panels last time. Is the cladding. It's starting to spread along now. I asked the question, why does it start in the middle? And you didn't let me down. It's so if they can get it evenly at the ends. Once they've finished, if they start at the ends, then it's going to be harder to match up in the middle once they meet up. So yeah, that's the reason why it starts in the middle, and someone eloquently put it across that that's how you wallpaper as well, which I don't wallpaper and I don't paint either. So yeah, no, so thanks for everyone for answering that question. I thought it was just a simple, they wanted to start there, but it's not. There's a reason behind it, and there's always a reason behind it. There's a reason why things happen. Right, so there's people on the roof here. So let's have a look what these are doing, because that's new panel and cladding going on the roof there, isn't it? So that's all new there. I'm not going to go too far over today. It's a bit windy today, so I'll keep me distance and fly safe. Be responsible. So that's the banging I can hear. There's not a lot going on, to be fair. Noise wise, you can only hear drilling and stuff like that. I can hear one drill, I can hear someone banging, and that's him banging. Okay, if that makes sense. Maybe it's not him. No, it's not him, it must be. Shall we try and get to the bottom of the banging? It could be these down here. A little bit lower. What are these doing here? So, just as I zoom in these, yeah, the drone's pretty much over my head here. Yeah, don't know. The banging seemed to match him on the roof, but then he stopped and the banging carries on, so I don't know. One more look up here. No, they're not banging. So it'll be them in the yellow jackets. Okay, so what are these two doing? Yeah, that roofing's really coming along now, isn't it? Okay. There's guys right at the front over there, so let's see what they're up to. I'm gonna get higher, so let's take the zoom out. I'm gonna get higher and just get a little bit over them. Can we see what they're doing? Are they putting some sort of felt down, or is that just a mat to lean on? Anyone any ideas there? What's going on? Let me know. I can't work it out. Let's get lower. Oh, you know what? Let's go to the attenuation tank area. It's been filled in now. Okay. This is interesting me because I know what it is after speaking to the guy last time. Just making sure there's no trees in the way. absolutely no one working on it, but that's stone in it, or the sand. I think it's sand in it. Obviously some sort of foundation going down, but no one working on it today. Brickwork is absolutely flying along here now. Bring myself down a touch. Look at all this brickwork now. It's, I'd say this side's almost complete. Oh, you can see the dome. You guys are doing a fine job, tell you that. I can see it. If anyone knows them, tag them in the video. Well, would I be able to shout to him? So I'm going to walk over and see. Try and ask him a question. No, he's too high. He's too high up. Yeah, I'll leave him alone. I was going to ask him how long it's going to take to finish this side. Okay. We are something getting lifted here. What's going on here? Obviously something for inside, isn't it? Someone else has spotted the drone. Is that obvious to see? Oh yeah, it is, yeah. Wave. Oh, hello anyway. And I'm enjoying your dancing. Nah, flying along guys, you're all doing well. If you get to see the video. What's going on Cherry Picker? Oh, bricky. Okay, that's interesting. There we go. Ah, okay. So that's how they're doing that part there then, brick-wise. But it's brilliant seeing up close how do you get to do stuff. Quite glad I bought this drone now. This is stuff that you wouldn't really have noticed. So I'll have a quick look around the other side. I don't want to go on too long while I'm going round. I know people don't like it, but when I asked last time for people to like my video and comment, you didn't let me down. You know, got loads of likes, loads of comments, and it just helps my channel grow. I got about 18 new subscribers this week, just through people liking and commenting on my videos. You know, you think it doesn't mean a lot, but it means everything. Because once this is done and I move on to other stuff, I'm not going to get the views because it's not football related what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to do some football stuff, but you know, let's bring the drone down a touch and get right in what they're doing. Yeah, but it's not really going to get the views, which is going to be, you know, sad. So the more subscribers get, the more I can compensate for the views that I'm going to lose, if you get what I mean. So yeah, everything helps. I say all the likes and comments that you've done, more brickies going on. Has helped the channel grow, and I've got 18 new subscribers since the last video, which is about 2 or 3 days ago, which is brilliant. You know, it's really helped me, and I thank everyone for liking and commenting. It just helps me out, and I hate to go on about it, but this is, you know, the bread and butter of YouTube, believe it or not. You know, I don't ask for money, so whatever could get paid off YouTube, the better. And the causes that I want to start doing in the future. Okay, so I'll shut up about that now. So more brickies. It's a lot of brickwork going on today. Yeah, so the brickwork's really coming on along here. You know, remember last time when we noticed they just started? It's coming right round. Absolutely brilliant. See, they barely, you know, I think there's about 2 rows of bricks. When I was last here, now it's all them rows coming right round, and I'll be going on to that next level next. So just coming around this side, keeping an eye on the drone in the air because I'm quite low, but I'm still in the park, so I'm alright. Let's get above these trees because they're blocking the view. So we'll see what these two are up to down here. Okay, so they're loading the lift up and they're going to be moving stuff up to the roof maybe. Does that go to the roof? No, it doesn't. It goes up to here, so yeah. It could be going to any level. So, yeah. Okay. That's down there, just chilling. They might be waiting for that stuff, okay. Again, let's have a look at these on here. You wonder why I'm going across and back in. I have a crosshair on my screen, and when that crosshair is on a subject, when I zoom in, it goes straight to that subject rather than me zooming in and then trying to find it, which I've learned over the last few flights. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to leave it there then. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please comment, please like. That's all I ask. And I'll see you all at the next one. Thanks for watching. See you soon.